you've acted in so many films with Govinda. What was that experience like? Because they say कि वो set पे बहुत late आते हैं और फिर कभी-कभी तो like अगले दिन आते हैं, उस दिन भी आते ही नहीं हैं.
Yeah. Chichi was known for his late timings. I'll tell you one incident. You know, I was doing a film which Aruna Irani was producing, and her husband Koku Kohli was directing. So it was so we were flying to Hyderabad. I had reached the airport, Ravina had reached the airport, Aruna ji was there, Koku Kohli was there, and Chichi was also supposed to come क्योंकि कल हमारी shooting थी अगले दिन. So Chichi is not there, Aruna ji is looking, कहाँ गया तो she said तुम लोग जाओ. So she sent us off and she went to Chichi's house. Aruna, being Aruna ji, she got him. And I remember even when we were doing Hero Number 1, तो वहाँ तो स्विट्जरलैंड वगैरह में और बाप रे लाइट इतनी जल्दी आ जाती है. सो व्हेन दिस गाय इज कमिंग लेट एंड डेविड यूज्ड टू गेट सो अपसेट, बट वंस ही यूज्ड टू कम ऑन द सेट ही वाज अमेजिंग, ब्रिलियंट, एंड वी हैड अ वंडरफुल टाइम क्योंकि वो भी इम्प्रोवाइज, ही सच अ वंडरफुल एक्टर, वो भी इम्प्रोवाइज कर रहा है, मैं भी इम्प्रोवाइज कर रहा हूँ, और उसको बड़े टेक की आदत थी कि एक टेक और दो टेक और, बिकॉज ही वांटेड टू ट्राई दिस, ही वांटेड टू ट्राई दैट. कि उसके बाद मैंने और करिश्मा ने और डेविड ने हमने पैक्ट बना लिया कि 4-5 टेक अच्छे हो गए टेक ना, तो बोले सुपर्ब, एक्सेलेंट, भाई बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब वी ऑल ऑफ अस विल से, ताकि वो, आई टेल यू एन इंसिडेंट. वी वर शूटिंग इन आई थिंक ऊटी, एंड देयर वाज वन, आई हैड टू कम बैक फॉर सम film here because that guy would 2-3 shifts ना, that guy had done a case. वो मेरे सेक्रेटरी ने कुछ मैंने उसको निकाले इधर उधर कर दी, नहीं मैंने उसको निकाल दिया था, तो उसने वहाँ पे इम्पा में दावा ठोक दिया कि ये तो मेरी डेट्स हैं, ये वहाँ कैसे जा सकती है हीरो नंबर 1 की. तो बॉनी कपूर्स डैड, he was alive, he was the president, he saying, ओ बताओ लड़की, कहते हैं वो आएगी वहाँ से, ऊटी से आएगी, तो कह रहा तेरा दिमाग खराब है, ही पंजाबी, तेरा दिमाग खराब है. 2-4 माँ बहन की कि अकेली औरत उत्थे से कैसे आएगी, ऐसे ऊटी के जंगलों विच अकेली टैक्सी विच सफ़र करेगी. कहता नहीं. अच्छा, तो उन्होंने बोला हाँ कि सुबह की फ़्लाइट से आएगी. तो ये हम लोग वो गाना कर रहे हैं, वो कुछ सतीश शाह भी है, मैं भी हूँ, और ये लगा हुआ इसको एक खुजली टेक, हम मैं और करीना कहते हैं इसको खुजली, करिश्मा खुजली टेक करना.
व्हाट इज खुजली टेक?
मतलब एक होता है ये एक्सीलेंट हो गया, ये भी बहुत अच्छा हो गया, एक खुजली टेक, मतलब जिस नाम की खुजली का टेक करना है. तो उसने, डेविड ने बोला तू बंद कर अपनी खुजली, इसको जाना है वहाँ पे, इसकी फ्लाइट मिस हो जाएगी. सो यू नो दे सेंट मी एंड आई ट्रैवल्ड एंड आई रीच्ड in the morning and I shot for those people in यहाँ लोनावाला या कहीं. Then I took the flight in the evening and shot for this. It was Hero number 1.
Oh gosh!
But it was amazing working with Chichi and all these people.
But he's going through a bad patch, no? What happens?
Very sad, very sad.
Yeah, when they can't reinvent themselves or accept it कि अब वो hero नहीं है.
I have no idea. It happens to many people, but some people, you know, rise above it. Like, you know, I feel that, see, Shah Rukh is a very intelligent actor. Even apna Aamir is so intelligent, and Salman, of course. मतलब he has also formed his own production. So you know what happens? एक दो फिल्म अगर आपकी flop हो जाती है, then the producers don't pick you up. This is a rat race, no? So they look for a new horse. So, but if you have your own production house, you can invest money in yourself, na? But other producer will not touch you.
Will not, yeah.
So this is what happened. I think, I feel that Chichi is such a brilliant actor. He's a wonderful dancer. Kya timing hai, and he's done serious roles also. But I think you're right. He couldn't reinvent, which is so sad. These heroes got smart. They started, why should we rely on the producer? And the producer is making money. हमको तो इतना पैसा मिल रहा है, इतना मतलब
जो भी
कितने करोड़ मिल रहे हैं. So they started taking territories, they started producing. So they are minting. They are
Women
minting
should
money.
also do it, no? Why women actors don't do it?
I know, because women are not, it's very sad to say, but they are not in the same category as women. Halaki some women have produced, no? I think some actresses have produced and they are doing a
But
good
they keep
job.
themselves away from the business aspect of it, where actors realized
हाँ.
कि अगर हम initials ला सकते हैं, तो हम क्यों नहीं
That's it. They got smart, है ना? And it paid. So they are still working. नहीं तो क्या होता है, एक film flop होती है, then people don't touch you.
हाँ.
But they are still doing films. अब आमिर की आप सोचिए, he was so disheartened after his film flopped.
Yeah.
And he, in fact, he announced also that he'll
Depression
quit.
हुआ and all that.
Depression तो होता ही है, because so much labor goes into making a film.
Yeah.
But then he came back again.
Yeah.
With another film, because he had his own production house.
But he keeps, with him, he keeps changing, you know.
Oh,
it's
he's
not
a
that
brilliant
one
actor.
trick pony, even though both are brilliant. Govinda's brilliant in his way, Amir is brilliant in
Amir
his
is
way.
wonderful,
Amir,
you know, he changes his whole appearance, whether it is when he was playing these wrestler ki beti ka baap, he completely transforms. Oh, I'm a fan of Amir Khan. He's really an amazing actor.
But Govinda will keep doing the same thing in every film.
That is
same way as Salman Khan. It's the same.
Yeah, but you know, that is the thing. They should realize that the public ki memory, you know, it's quite fickle. And another thing is, they get bored of seeing the same thing.
So you can't keep doing that.
You can't keep on. So you have to, an actor has to reinvent himself all the time if he has to survive for a longer period.
And yet, a Salman Khan movie, there are people who go crazy when he comes.
They go crazy.
Yeah.
And you know, all these Dabangg series, you know, they are such die-hard fans. मतलब क्या-क्या करते हैं.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is, टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.